In this video, you'll learn over 100 English words starting with the letter S, from shark to sling. Each word includes a simple definition, useful examples, and common collocations to help you improve your vocabulary and speak more naturally. Let's begin.
Shark, a large fish with sharp teeth that lives in the sea. The surfer was scared when he saw a shark fin near the beach. Sick, feeling unwell or ill. She stayed in bed all day because she felt sick with the flu. To feel sick, to feel like you want to vomit. He felt sick after eating too much. I think I'm going to be sick. To be sick of, to be very tired or annoyed by something. She was sick of hearing the same song on the radio every day. Sickness, the state of being ill. His long sickness kept him away from school for several weeks. Sieve, a tool with small holes used to separate solids from liquids or small pieces. The baker sifted the flour through a sieve to make the cake light and fluffy. A sieve is usually used for dry ingredients like flour, while a strainer is used for liquids like tea or cocktails. He poured the cocktail through a strainer to remove the ice before serving it. Sight, the ability to see or something that you see. The mountain view was the most beautiful sight he had ever seen.
At first sight, when you see someone or something for the first time. At first sight, the house looked perfect. The problem seemed easy at first sight. Love at first sight. Falling in love immediately when you first see someone. It was love at first sight. In sight, able to be seen. The lighthouse was finally in sight after hours of sailing. Land is in sight.
Out of sight, not able to be seen. Keep the medicine out of sight of children. Sign, a symbol, notice, or gesture that gives information. There was a stop sign at the corner of the street that every driver had to respect. Sign, to write your name to agree or approve. She signed the contract after reading all the conditions. Signature, a person's name written in their own handwriting. She asked for his signature at the bottom of the contract. Sign language, a way of communicating using hand movements instead of speech. She learned sign language to communicate with her deaf cousin. Sign up, to register for something. He decided to sign up for a cooking class at the community center. Signal, a sound, action, or light that gives a message. The traffic light turned green as a signal for the cars to move. Significant, important or meaningful. The discovery was a significant step forward in medical research.
Insignificant. Not important, not large, and not likely to have any noticeable effect or influence. The difference was insignificant. The error was insignificant and did not affect the results. Compared with the total cost, the amount was insignificant.
Silent, not making any sound. The library was completely silent and everyone was focused on reading.
The room fell silent when the teacher entered.
Silk, a soft and shiny cloth made from the thread of silkworms. She wore a beautiful silk dress at the wedding. Silky, smooth and soft like silk. Her hair looked silky after she used the new shampoo. Silly, showing little sense, foolish. He made a silly mistake by forgetting his keys inside the car. Silver, a shiny gray-white metal used for jewelry and coins. The ring was made of pure silver and looked very elegant. Silver-plated, covered with a thin layer of silver. The hotel used silver-plated cutlery in the dining room. Similar, almost the same, but not exactly. The two paintings are very similar, but one is slightly darker. Simple, easy to understand or do. The instructions were simple enough for a child to follow. Simple, not decorated or fancy, plain. She wore a simple dress without any jewelry. Simulate, to copy the appearance or behavior of something. The flight simulator can simulate real weather conditions for training pilots. Sin, an act against moral or religious law. In many religions, lying is considered a sin. Since then, from that time until now, he moved to London in 2010 and has lived there since then. Sincere, honest, without pretending. She gave me a sincere apology for her mistake. Sing, to produce musical sounds with the voice. She loves to sing in the shower every morning. Singer, a person who sings professionally or as a hobby. The singer performed 3 songs before the band joined in. Single, only one. He bought a single ticket for the concert. Single, not married. She has been single for 3 years. Single, a song released individually. The band released a new single last month. Singular, unusual, or remarkable. His singular talent impressed everyone at the competition. Singular, in grammar, form for one, not plural. In English, cat is singular and cats is plural. Sink, to go down below the surface of water. The boat began to sink after hitting the rock.
Sink like a stone. To sink very quickly or to fall rapidly. The metal ball sank like a stone. Without a life jacket, he would sink like a stone. The company's profits sank like a stone. His popularity sank like a stone.
Sink, fixed bowl in the kitchen or bathroom for washing. She filled the sink with soapy water to wash the dishes. Siren, a loud warning device. The police car raced through the street with its siren on. Siren, mythical, sea creature that lures sailors. The old tale speaks of sailors trapped by siren songs. Sister, female sibling. My sister lives in another city, but we call each other every day. Sister-in-law, the sister of your spouse or the wife of your brother. My sister-in-law invited us to her birthday party. Sit, to rest with your body supported by your bottom and not standing. Please sit on the chair while you wait for your turn. Situation, the set of conditions or circumstances. The company is in a difficult financial situation. Size, how big or small something is. I bought the wrong shoe size and had to return them. Sizable, fairly large. They made a sizable donation to the charity. Skate, to move on ice or wheels using skates. The children love to skate on the frozen lake in winter. Skateboard, a short board on wheels used for riding and tricks. He practiced a new trick on his skateboard at the park. Skating, the activity of moving on ice or roller skates. We went skating at the indoor rink last weekend. Skeleton, the framework of bones in a body. The human skeleton supports and protects the organs. Skeleton, figurative, basic or minimal, structure. The report was just a skeleton of ideas.
Skeleton key, a key that can open many different locks. The caretaker used a skeleton key to open all the rooms.
Sketch, a simple drawing. She made a quick sketch of the landscape in her notebook. Sketch, brief performance comedy scene. The comedy show started with a funny sketch about school life. Skill, the ability to do something well. Cooking is an important life skill that everyone should learn. Skilled, having training or experience. The company hired skilled workers to complete the project. Skim, to remove the top layer of a liquid. She skimmed the cream from the top of the milk.
Skim the fat means to remove fat from the surface of a liquid, especially milk, soup, or broth. The fat rises to the top, and you use a spoon or similar tool to take it off. This is often done to make the food lighter or healthier. Before serving the soup, skim the fat from the surface. Broth, a thin liquid made by boiling meat, fish, or vegetables in water. Soup, a prepared dish made from broth and other ingredients. Chicken broth is used to make many soups. The recipe calls for 2 cups of vegetable broth.
Skim. To read quickly, not carefully. He skimmed the article to get the main idea before the meeting. Skimmed milk, milk with the cream removed. I prefer skimmed milk in my coffee because it's lighter. Skin. The natural outer covering of a person or animal. He has very sensitive skin that needs special lotion. Skin, outer layer of fruit, etc. I peeled the skin off the apple before eating it. Skinny, very thin. She was so skinny that her clothes looked too big for her. Skip. To move with small light jumps, often repeatedly. The children skipped happily along the path. Skip, not do something, avoid. She decided to skip breakfast because she was late. Skull. The bone structure of the head. The archaeologists found an ancient skull in the excavation. Skunk. A small animal known for its strong smell. The skunk sprayed its smell when it felt threatened. Sky. The space above the earth. The sky was clear and full of stars last night. Skylight. A window in the roof. The room was bright because of the skylight in the ceiling. Skyscraper. A very tall building. New York is famous for its many skyscrapers. Slam. To close something with force. She slammed the door because she was angry. Slam. To hit something hard and with great force. He slammed his pencil onto the desk in frustration because he didn't know how to do his homework. Slap. To hit with the open hand. She gave him a slap on the cheek after his rude comment. Slang. Informal language used by a group. Teenagers often use slang that adults don't understand. Slate. A type of rock used for roofing. The old house still had a roof made of slate.
In the past, slate was used for the small boards children wrote on, but today we say chalkboard or whiteboard. However, the expression a clean slate is still common, meaning a fresh start. After his mistakes, he moved to another city for a clean slate.
Slaughter. The killing of animals for food. The cows were taken to the slaughterhouse. Slaughter. Violent killing of people. The war led to the slaughter of thousands of civilians. Slave. A person forced to work without freedom. In history, many people were taken as slaves. Slave. Figurative. Someone who works too hard. He was a slave to his job and had no time for his family. Sleep. The natural rest of body and mind. After a long day, she needed a good night's sleep. Sleep. The baby finally slept through the night without waking up. Sleeve. The part of clothing that covers the arm. His shirt sleeves were rolled up because it was hot. Sleigh. A vehicle with runners used on snow, often pulled by horses. The children enjoyed a sleigh ride through the snowy village. Slice. A thin, flat piece cut from something. He ate a slice of bread with butter for breakfast. Slice. To cut into slices. She sliced the tomatoes for the salad. Slide. To move smoothly over a surface. The kids slid down the icy hill. Slide. Playground equipment or object for sliding. The children played on the slide in the park.
Slide. Presentation slide. A single page of a presentation shown on a screen. This slide shows the company's sales figures. Let's move on to the next slide. The presentation has 30 slides.
Slight, small in degree, not serious. He felt a slight headache but continued working. Slim, attractively thin. She stayed slim by eating healthy food and exercising regularly. Sling, a piece of cloth or device for carrying or supporting, used to hold or support an arm or shoulder after injury. The doctor put his arm in a sling after he broke it. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you in the next video for more English vocabulary.